Jai Hind students, I am Shashi Kumar Seth. Today I am going to start decimal part 1 of class 6. First decimal, the number expressed in the form of the decimal forms are called decimals. Look at here, just like a 3.2, 4.75 and another number 3.26, 25, 6, 3, 2.50. Look at here, these points are known as the decimal. These points are known as the decimals. Clear, student? And second point is a like decimal. What is a like decimal? Decimal having same number of decimal places are called like decimals. Look at here, student, same decimal places. See these examples, just like a 3.46 comma 4.75 comma 9.25 comma 1.35. Students, look at here. Here after decimal 2 digit and after decimal 2 digit and after decimal 2 digit and here also after decimal 2 digit. Clear? That's why this is like decimal. And unlike decimal, decimal having different places, different number of places, are decimal places are called unlike. Just like example, after decimal, just like a 1.2 and here 3.457 and 4.25. Look at here, after decimal here 1 digit and after decimal here 3 digit and after decimal here 2 digit. That's why we can say that these are an example of unlike fraction and these are an example of like fractions. Clear, student? Now see questions. This, student, see questions. First question, convert into simplest form. Clear? First question, 0.8. Student, look at here, after decimal here 1 digit. Clear? After decimal here 1 digit from right side. That's why you will write 8 upon 10. Why are you write here 10? Because after decimal here 1 digit. And cancel. 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10. That's why you will put here 4 upon 5. This is your answer. Clear? And second question is the 0.285. Look at here, after decimal here 3 digit 1 2 3. That's why you will write here 1000. 1 2 3. Clear, student? And reduce these fractions. 5 5 25, carry 3, 5 3 5 35, 5 7 35. Clear? And 5 2 10, 0 0. Clear, student? And they will write 57 by 200. This is your answer, simplest form. And second question is a convert into mixed fraction. Convert into mixed fraction. How can you convert? Firstly, you can check how many digit after decimal. Clear? You can see here after decimal here 1 digit. Student, that's why you will put 56 upon 10. Because after decimal here 1 digit, that's why you will put 10 here and 10 divided by 56. Clear? Otherwise, firstly you will reduce this number 5 and cancel this number. 28. Clear student? And now divide. 5 5 ja 25, 3 remainder. Clear student? 5 5 ja 25, 25 plus 3 28. Clear student? This is your answer. And look at this number 4.625. Look at second question 4.625. After decimal here 3 digit, that's why you will put here 1000. Clear student? And reduce 5 2 ja 10 and 2 0. 5 9 ja 45, carry 1 1 2 12, 5 2 ja 10. Clear? Again carry 2 2 5 25, 5 5 ja 25. Clear? Again reduce this number 5 4 ja 20, 0, 5 1 ja 5, carry 4 4 2 42, and 5 8 ja 40, carry 2 2 5 25, 5 5 ja 25. Clear student? Again reduce because 40 and 185 divisible by 5. Firstly you will write 180 upon 40 and reduce. 5 8 ja 40 and 5 3 ja 53. Clear? And here 5, that means 35, and 5 7 ja 35. You will write the answer 37 upon 8. This is the fraction form, but convert into mixed fractions. 8 4 ja 32, 37 subtracted from 32 we get 5. 4 8 ja 32, 32 plus 5 37. It's your answer. Clear student? Only you will reduce this number. Clear? Now I am going to start question number 3rd. Student, look at here question number 3rd. Convert into decimal forms. First question 47 upon 10. Look at here 10, that means 10. That's why you will put one digit after right side. Clear? One digit from right side. Firstly you will write 47 and put the decimal from right side after one digit. 47, this is right side, 1 after one digit you will put. Clear? This is your answer. And look at here 35 24 upon 1000. Here 30, that's why you will put after 3 digit decimal from right side. 3 5 2 4 from right side, 1 2 3, and put here decimal. But look at here 8, not a 10 100 1000 10,000 lakh. We are not given, then how can we convert this fraction in a form of decimal? If any number given denominator just like 2 4 8 3 5 7 9 11 etc., that time you can only divide. After dividing write the answer. Clear? Look at here 25 divided by 8. 8 3 ja 24. Clear student? And 1 remainder. But 8 not divisible by 1, that's why firstly you will put here decimal and put 10. 8 1 ja 8, and 10 subtracted from 8 we get 2. Again you put 0. 8 2 जा 16. Clear? And 20 subtracted from 16 we get 4 and put 1 0. 8 5 ja 40. You can see here 25 divisible by 8 we get 3.125. Clear? 3.125 and it's your answer. 3.125. It is your answer. Clear, student? If any number here given just like a 2 3 4 5 8 7 9 11 13, on that time you can only divide. After dividing, write the answer. Clear? And see question number 4. Convert into like decimal. Student, look at here. After decimal here 1 digit, after decimal 2, after decimal 3, after decimal 1 digit. Look at here, after decimal 3 digit, here higher digit. That's why all numbers should be after decimal equal. All numbers should be equal after decimal. Look at here. You will put 6.5 here. 1 2 3. That's a 1 2 3. Clear? And 16.03. 1 2. One number is remain. That's why you will put here 1 0. Clear? And 0.274. Look at here. After decimal here already present 3 digit. That's why you will not increase any 0, not a decrease any number. 1 2 3. Clear? And this form 119.4 after decimal 1 digit. That's why put 2 0. 1 2 1 2 3. Completed 3 digit. It is converted like decimals. Like decimals. Clear, student? This is your answer. Now I am going to start question number 5. Student, see question number 5. Arrange in ascending order. 4.6.7.4, 4.58, 7.32, 4.06. Look at here. Firstly, you will convert these decimal into like decimals. Clear? Like decimals convert into like decimal. Like decimals. Look at here. After decimal 1 digit here, 2 digit here, 2 digit here, 2 digit. Clear? 3 numbers like, but these are not like. Convert these number into like decimal. 4. You will write 4.60, 7.40, and here already 2 digit, and here already 2 digit, and it's also. Clear, student? Now you will write ascending order. Arrange ascending. Look at ascending order means smallest to greatest number. You can see here this is the smallest number. That's why you will put 4.06. Next number 4.58. 4.58. Third number is a 4.60, and fourth number is 7.32. 7.32, and last is a 7.40. Clear, student? 7.4. Now similarly you can do ascending descending order. Clear? And see question number 3rd. Next, express in kilometer using decimal. Convert 65 meter into kilometer. Student, we know that 1 meter is equal to 1/1000 kilometer. Clear? One meter is equal to 1/1000 kilometer. That's why you will put 65 into, in place of meter you will put 1/1000 kilometer. And see here, 65 into 1000 here. After decimal 3 digit, that's why you will put after 650. Clear? This is your answer. And second question is a 3 kilometer 5 meter. Here 3 kilometer already kilometer, but 5 in meter. That's why you will change only this number. 3 kilometer, and you will put here plus 5 divided by 1000 kilometer. 3 kilometer, and here after 3 digit you will put decimal 1, 2, 3 and put kilometer. Clear, student? And add this number 3.005 kilometer. This is your answer. 3.005 kilometer. Thank you, students.